This is Artem's.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. The race for AI is shifting. It is no longer just about who has the biggest model, but about who builds the most efficient architecture to run it. Recent research on the ARC-AGI benchmark shows a surprising truth. You do not need a frontier model to solve complex reasoning if your architecture is smart enough. A new system called the Reflective Orchestrator reached a 67.25% pass rate. It did this by using a pipeline of explorers and definers. Instead of one-shot guessing, the system explores multiple patterns and then reflects on where it failed. The result is a massive lift in accuracy. This proves that agentic decomposition and structured deliberation are the real levers for performance. If architecture is the new frontier, the business model is shifting toward extreme cost efficiency. SpaceXAI, formerly known as Grok, is pivoting hard into the coding market with Grok 4.5. They are not trying to be the smartest model on the planet. Instead, they are undercutting everyone on price by charging $2 per million input tokens. They are making frontier capabilities a commodity. This strategy is fueled by the $60 billion acquisition of Cursor, which gives them a goldmine of real-world engineering data to refine how the model actually works in a code base. But low cost means nothing if you cannot prove an agent works in a messy corporate environment. Current benchmarks are broken because they only care if the final answer is right. It moves from simple retrieval to full autonomy, where the agent actually changes code. Similarly, a project called Agent Lens is moving toward trajectory views. They do not just look at the result, they analyze the entire path the agent took, spotting where it looped or where it ignored a constraint. This is the shift from binary success to operational reliability. While we refine these agents on classical silicon, some are looking at quantum hardware to handle the most fragile parts of the loop. A system called QA&TIS uses IBM Heron processors. It treats the quantum processor as a service that handles rare event evidence. By using amplitude amplification, it can find the needle in a haystack much faster than classical sampling. The goal is not a total quantum takeover. It is about creating calibrated belief update primitive that prevents the planner from drifting when the data is scarce. Today, we have seen a clear pattern. From the way DeepSeek structures its reasoning to the way SpaceX AI prices. Whether it is through trajectory-based benchmarking or quantum belief updates, the focus is now on the operating envelope. All quantum belief updates, the focus is now on the operating envelope. We are entering an era where precision in architecture and measurement matters more than the size of the parameter count. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tuning tomorrow.